What's up guys, here's a quick tutorial on how to add custom presets or filters in Lightroom, so let's get to it. Now the process is exactly the same in Windows, but just in case I've linked the instructions below in the description box. Now there are a lot of places where you can download presets for free and you can pay for them, and they usually come as XMP files. So I'm going to be copying this folder, which is beautiful sunrise preset, into my Lightroom directory. What you want to do is open up Lightroom, go to your Develop tab on the top, and pull down your Presets tab on the left. Now here there is a plus button where it lets you create presets, import presets, and manage presets, but we're not going to be using that. What we're going to do is right click on one of the presets and select Show in Finder. This is going to show you where the preset is located at. Now we can copy our new preset into here, but we're going to go back a layer so we can create a new fresh folder. If that's any confusing, these are where the presets are located in your Mac. It's in Library, Application Support, Adobe, Camera Raw, and Settings. Settings is the folder you want to be in, and you can see all my filters that are grouped into different folders. And what you want to do is simply copy that folder, beautiful sunrise, in here, and that's it. For this to appear in Lightroom, you do have to reopen it. So I'm going to close Lightroom and reopen it. As you can see, the preset beautiful sunrise has been added. And that's it for the tutorial, you guys. Hopefully you found it useful. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.